Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Mailchimp audiences after import errors step by step clearly. Open Mailchimp and log into your account. Navigate to the Audience tab in the main menu. Select the audience you want to restore. Click on Manage Audience and then choose View Audiences. Locate the audience that experienced the import error. Click on the audience name to open its details. Scroll down to the Import History section. Identify the import that failed and click on it for more details. Review the error message provided for specific issues. Export the list of contacts you attempted to import. Open the exported file in a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Examine the error messages alongside the original data. Correct any formatting issues or duplicate entries in the file. Ensure all required fields for Mailchimp are properly filled. Remove any invalid email addresses or non-compliant data. Save the revised file in CSV format. Return to Mailchimp and navigate back to the Audience tab. Click on Manage Audience and select Import Contacts. Choose Upload a CSV file for your revised list. Select the corrected file from your computer. Follow the prompts to map your data fields. Confirm that all fields are correctly matched. Proceed with the import process. Once the import is complete, check for any additional errors. If necessary, address any new errors similarly by correcting the data. Finally, review your audience for accuracy and completeness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.